Okay, today we are doing an unboxing for Feiyu Tech AK4500. Okay, this is a standard kit. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is an upgrade version of the previous AK4000. Okay, don't miss it. There's this box that's the accessories kit. So these two have a handle catch here. Open it. Okay. The batteries are rechargeable, and it also comes with the charging station where you can charge the batteries. Comprehensive, the USB 3 to micro 3.0 and USB 2 to micro and USB 2 to type C. So this is the standard bar. So the standard bar is for you to extend, if you're looking to do like a jeep shot. Alright, let's have a look at the gimbal. Let's see how heavy this is. Okay, it's not that heavy. It's still quite manageable. I won't be showing the instructions and the step-by-step to install the whole gimbal. I'll put the link below that you can find out from the official Feiyu Tech. Of course, you need to put in the batteries, but for now, I'm just going to put up the stand. So this is the base plate and the quick release. So it's for you to conveniently take the camera in and out. And then this little piece, this is to support the lens. I'm not a technical person, so my first impression can be quite intimidated by all the little parts. But Feiyu Tech did amazing by providing videos, instructional ones on their official YouTube page that you can check it out. Let's see what's inside. Okay, another packet of some screws. Okay, let's see what's inside the accessories kit. I believe this is for the camera. There are some menus inside. Okay, so this must be the famous remote control. Not for you to play Wii, but in my next video I will show you how to install and how to use it. And again, there's another packet of screws again. Here there's an Allen key inside the little box and another USB cable that connects to the camera. So this is the rod that extend out so you can put the follow focus. So this is the follow focus. Yep, another accessories, another part to attach to it. So this is if you want to put your mobile phone. Okay, that's it. So far these are all the accessories. Might not seem a lot, but you have to be careful not to lose them. It's still manageable. Everything so far, the quality of the accessories and the parts seems very solid. So I'm going to set this up, and then I'm just going to go for a testing, and watch out for the next video.